My video guide is about getting rid of the new adware called FractionControl. This FractionControl is a special adware type application that attacks many computers all over the world these days. This program, by the way, specifically targets Mac computers. It is from the adware family. This particular adware actually is spread through fake software or browser update alerts. It may also be sometimes integrated with certain free applications. So in many cases, users just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Therefore, if you have seen this FractionControl application to be the part of your computer, the only correct solution is to get rid of it immediately. Go to your applications. When you find this FractionControl, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers, of course. The website will automatically identify your operating system and will offer you to download the version of Combo Cleaner that you need. So use Combo Cleaner to help you remove other possibly hidden malware from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.